Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to send emails on customers in Shopify. First, go to Shopify and log into your account. Once inside the dashboard, on the left panel, click on Customers. Here you'll see a list of your customers. Just click on the one where you want to send a message. Now, once in, on the right side, click on their email. Here a pop-up will appear where you can send your email to your customer. Now you can change your subject line or add one and just add your message for them. Once done, you can click on review email and in here you will see the email you made. Then if you're sure, just click on send email and the email will be sent to them. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.